Hey gang, just a little tip today. The tip comes actually from Susanne. Can't pronounce her last name, but here in the GeoDirectory Users for non-official support. I've never done a instructional video before. I've only seen them on YouTube, so I will do my absolute best to do a decent job here, but don't hold your breath on that. I asked a question on the forum a few days back, and my problem was I'm using Elementor and of course GeoDirectory, the most awesome plugin, and I was using the GD Single Tabs because you can boom, go to the next thing, boom, go to the next thing, and you can see everything. It's easy to set up. It's great. My problem was that all of the tabs, it was like one big single long tab through the entire thing, and nothing was sort of split up nicely. So business research, I wanted to have it sort of its own tab, and social media and online reviews, I wanted to have it as a separate tab, and it would just be easier for people to read. And I've seen this on other sites. Basically, you edit the template. I started out with the GeoDirectory Elementor template, and been messing around with it a little bit. So we will go to our theme builder. Okay, here we are. So once again, I wanted to have these all split up into separate tabs so that when you click on the top, it would be one distinct section to look at, and it didn't all go together with, the big, long, huge white tab. Okay. So what she suggested was just a little piece of CSS to put in the WordPress customize settings. Okay, so first of all, go into your settings for the single tabs, and if you go over to advanced, I took away the background color. Right now it's white, but I took away the background color, cleared it out, okay, which made it basically text on the background. Updated that. Then I just went into appearance and customize, and I took this little piece of code into the customizer, MT-4, background color white, padding 2EM. It literally was that simple. So I published that little snippet, do a refresh, and it splits it all up into the tabs just like I wanted. Perfect. Now I wanted my borders to have a little bit of softening on them, and so I played around a little bit more, and I ended up with a border radius setting that I liked over here. And all I did, and I'll put them both in here, I just set the border radius and put it before the padding. If you put the border radius after the padding, it gets really messed up for some reason, so I don't know. But so I'll just delete that first one, publish that, and then do a little refresh. Perfect. Now I got a little border radius on each of the separate boxes. And it's exactly what I wanted. So thank you to Susanne. You know what we'll do? We'll go have a look at what it actually looks like. like I say, I've got a lot of work to do on this, but here it is at this point. Nice gray in between. It's perfect. Well, it's probably not perfect. I have some more tweaking to do here, but if you were looking for that effect, then this piece of code, which I'll post underneath, is going to work very well for you in the customize appearance settings in the back end of WordPress. Okay, thanks so much.